Tesla Model 3 and Model Y vehicles have electronic door systems. But what happens when the power is out? This video will show you how to open the doors from both inside and outside using the emergency mechanical releases. These fail-safes ensure you can exit the vehicle even with a dead battery, electrical failure, or after an accident. This is critical for safety and compliance with federal standards. Inside each door of your Tesla Model 3 or Model Y, you'll find a mechanical release lever. It's usually located near the door handle or latch. To use it, simply pull the lever and push the door open. This is a purely mechanical linkage, so it works regardless of the vehicle's power state. Remember its location, as this is your primary way out in an emergency. For opening the doors from the outside without power, there are a couple of options. If your Model 3 or Model Y has a physical key, you'll find a hidden key slot beneath the driver's side door handle. Insert the key and turn to unlock the door. For keyless models introduced in 2021, there's a small slot on the door pillar, hidden by a plastic panel. Use a straightened paper clip or similar tool to press the internal release button. Once unlocked, the door can be opened manually. The front trunk, or frunk, has a manual release cord located under the hood. You'll need to have the hood slightly ajar to see and access this cord. Pulling the cord will release the frunk latch. For the rear trunk, or trunk, the key slot near the license plate can be used. In a no-power situation, there's a manual override lever inside the trunk, accessible by folding down the rear seats if the doors can be opened. Always familiarize yourself with manual releases. Keep your key accessible for emergency access to frunk and trunk. Tesla incorporates mechanical backups in their vehicle design to prioritize safety and meet federal regulations such as FMVSS 206, which requires reliable door lock systems even during power failures. While electronic locks offer convenience, they can fail from dead batteries, electrical issues, or software glitches. Mechanical backups, like manual levers and key slots, work independently of power sources, ensuring you can always access your vehicle in emergencies. A 2024 recall affecting certain Model 3 and Model Y vehicles addressed electronic hood latch issues that could prevent access. This real-world example underscores why mechanical overrides are essential, as they provided alternatives when the primary systems failed. To maximize safety, Tesla owners should familiarize themselves with mechanical release locations and test them periodically. Staying aware of these features through the owner's manual or app tutorials ensures you're ready for any situation. In summary, mechanical backups are essential for Tesla's safety. They comply with regulations, provide reliability when electronics fail, as demonstrated by the 2024 recall, and require regular awareness from owners. In 2023, a Tesla Model 3 owner in Florida was trapped in their vehicle during a hurricane when flooding caused a complete power loss. The owner successfully escaped by using the interior manual release lever, which worked despite the electronics failing. This real-world incident highlights how mechanical backups can be life-saving in extreme weather conditions. During Tesla's 2024 recall for door latch issues, a Model Y owner experienced an electronic latch failure triggered by a low battery warning. Unable to open the door electronically, the owner used the mechanical release mechanism to exit the vehicle safely. This case demonstrates why regular maintenance and awareness of backup systems are crucial for Tesla owners. On Tesla owner forums, many users regularly share tutorials and experiences about using the physical key to access vehicles with dead batteries. These community-driven guides help owners practice the outside emergency release procedure, ensuring they're prepared for situations where the key fob battery dies or electronic systems fail. These real-world examples prove that emergency releases are not just theoretical features. They save lives and prevent inconvenience in actual situations. Knowing how to use mechanical backups ensures safety and peace of mind for Tesla owners. The trend in electric vehicles is moving towards more user-friendly emergency features. Future Tesla models might incorporate biometric or AI-assisted releases for no-power unlocking, making access even easier in emergency situations. Software updates are improving diagnostics and battery management, reducing the chances of total power loss. These over-the-air updates enhance vehicle reliability and help prevent emergency situations from occurring in the first place. Industry-wide, there's a push for standardized emergency protocols across all electric vehicles. This would ensure that emergency release mechanisms are consistent and familiar to drivers regardless of the manufacturer. As battery technology advances, particularly with the development of solid-state batteries, power loss incidents are expected to decrease significantly. These new batteries offer better energy density and stability compared to traditional lithium-ion batteries. With these advancements, the frequency of total power loss scenarios should decline, making emergency releases less necessary over time while still ensuring they remain as reliable backups. Key takeaways and safety reminders. Remember, your Tesla Model 3 and Model Y are equipped with reliable mechanical emergency releases for the doors, frunk, and trunk. Familiarize yourself with their locations and operation. Keep your key fob charged and know where your physical key is. In an emergency, these features can be life-saving. Refer to your owner's manual and Tesla's tutorials for the most up-to-date information.